Question 12. Which of the following could be the graph showing the circumference C of a circle in terms of its diameter D? So I'll leave those at the bottom. We know the circumference of a circle is pi d. If the diameter goes up, it goes, the circumference goes up, and it's a linear relationship. So this is linear. We're not squaring the diameter at any point. So we know that that is a straight line. So there's only two of these that it could be. It could be A or D. One of them goes through 0, 0, and one of them doesn't. So let's find out if it's going to, if when the circumference is 0, is the diameter going to be 0? Well, yes. If you've got a circle of 0 diameter, the circumference is also going to be 0. So we are looking at this one here. You can think about it as this here. So if diameter is 0, then pi d also equals 0. Therefore, it does go through 0, 0, and therefore the line has to be a straight line through this point here. Doesn't matter for the gradient, what we're talking about here, because we don't know the scale on the lines, but it is going to be this drawing, this sketch, which is A.